Hello everyone, welcome to Achiever Success, a talk show. I am Abhilash Kshatriya. We have an achiever today in our show, Mrs. Deepali Shanai. Welcome you, madam. So we all know you were the head of Mahesh School. Also, you are an entrepreneur. So let us know something about you. How was your journey towards this?
I am born, brought up, married in Bangalore, Namakudla. I am born to my father, Mr. Manjunath Kudua, and my mother, Ms. Shanti Kudua.
Okay.
My parents have been my role model.
Okay.
When it comes to education, I am blessed to have such a parent in my life because they have provided me with a quality education.
Okay.
So when it comes to school, I have started my schooling in. I did my schooling in St. Anne's High School,
Okay.
and my PUC and degree in Canara College, Mangalore.
Okay.
My masters in Manipal University.
Okay.
So this was my schooling life
Okay.
and my college.
Okay. Now there are a lot of career guidance programs happening everywhere. During your school days, how was it? Like, were you being told that you're supposed to do this course, or how exactly it was?
When it comes to your schooling or your degree,
Okay.
you're not so serious about your life.
Exactly.
Okay, so you don't know what is career because you feel you just look at the movies and you feel that filmy world is
Yeah.
in you.
Yeah.
So my parents used to always guide me, especially my dad.
Okay.
He used to always guide me to say what is the right this.
Okay.
And when it comes to degree, you end up saying after graduation you end up saying it's nothing but challenges girls faces marriage.
Okay.
So immediately, a girl has to get married after her graduation.
Okay.
It was now, of course, the time has changed,
Yeah.
but not then.
Okay.
So same way with me, I was fortunately I got married.
Okay.
I was married again. I am
After your
blessed.
post graduation, you got married.
Yeah, with my post
With
graduation.
your post graduation.
Yeah,
Okay.
it was my first
Okay.
sem of my MBA.
Okay.
And trust me, it was the next day is my exam, and the previous day I am
Okay.
my marriage was I got married.
Okay.
So I am actually fortunate because I'm saying fortunate because I am blessed to marry a soulmate, Mr. Dinesh Shenoy.
Okay.
He has business at Farangipet. We have a supermarket which
Okay.
we deal with wholesale and retail grocery.
Okay.
So he is
Yeah.
a caring, supportive, motivating, and encouraging me in every walk of my life.
Okay.
Okay, so he has been in all my ups and downs. He's been my best friend.
Okay.
Who is to always who is supporting me in whatever steps I take in life.
Okay.
So I should say the man behind my success is my husband.
Okay.
So he's done a lot to me. He is doing a lot to me. Even now, whenever I need anything, I just ask my husband.
Okay.
So you tell me what should I
Yeah.
do. So we are like best friends where we share everything.
After marriage, were you in search of a job, or did the jobs came in search of you?
Um, it's like right after my marriage,
Okay.
I had to complete my MBA.
Oh.
So I completed my MBA.
Okay.
So once MBA was done, I looked into the job.
Okay.
So I was a soft skill trainer
Okay.
for Aptic Aviation and Hospitality.
Okay.
So from there, my career started
Okay. As a soft skill trainer.
as a soft skill trainer.
Okay.
I was a soft skill trainer come counselor.
Okay.
Then I got into one of the reputed education institution in Mangalore.
Okay.
I went there as soft skill trainer, but the management liked me and made me public relations officer.
Okay. That's good to hear.
Yeah, I was a public relation officer.
Yeah.
So from there, my journey began in Mahesh.
Okay.
So in Mahesh, I stepped in as a center administrator
Okay.
and the ex-trustee of Mahesh Institution.
Yeah.
He looked into my potential
Okay.
and made me head of Mahesh High School.
Oh, that's great.
So that was my
How did
journey.
you feel?
I was.
Did you think about it, or how exactly?
I was actually not prepared for it,
Okay.
but I knew inside me that I have potential of
Okay.
handling school.
Okay.
So that is why, because you know that they are masters in education
Did
when
you
it comes to
immediately
Mahesh.
accept it, or did you think about it for a few days and then you
No,
came
the
back?
management was very supportive.
Okay.
The trustee said that don't worry, Dipali, we are there for you.
Okay.
So we will help you out in whatever it is.
Okay.
So I have faced a lot of hurdles.
Oh.
Okay, challenges will be there in
Okay.
any of the field.
Yeah.
So anything you take up, you will be having. You have to face the hurdles.
Yeah.
So the same way was with me.
Yeah.
I had to face. There are many good moments also.
Okay.
Plus, I had to face challenges also.
Okay.
But it went hand in hand.
Yeah.
So I had enjoyed working with the teenagers.
Okay.
So with teenagers, it was like I had to mold them, guide them to take wise decision in life.
Okay.
So I used to talk to them regarding career, and there are so many things. Whatever I used to counsel also.
Okay.
It's a God's gift for me.
Yeah.
I can counsel the students or people whoever comes in.
Okay.
So I was into that also.
Okay.
So I could, with the management support, I could do it.
Okay. Okay.
That's what I
Yeah.
can tell about my being ahead of the institution.
Okay. Okay. A person who had joined as central administrator in a school had become head of the school. So, how was the responsibility? It's a great responsibility. in fact.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is a great responsibility.
Okay.
When it comes to students,
Okay.
so we need to mold them in many ways.
Okay.
Let it be academics, let it be co-curricular activities, a basic few basic things we need to teach them when it comes to school.
Okay.
So the task was a little bit because it was teens who were under me.
Okay.
So I had to face it. Along with that, we had to take care of the
Lot of
staff.
challenges.
Yeah, a lot of challenges.
Yeah.
So when it comes to staff also,
Okay.
so we have to see to that even the staff is up to the mark.
Okay.
So the staff also has done a wonderful job, assisting the students, everything.
Okay.
And the main pillar of the institution or for school,
Yeah.
it is the parents.
Correct.
Okay, parents play an important role.
They need to be supportive.
Yes, and the set of parents whomever I have faced was very good.
Okay.
We had a few parents who had an issue and all,
Oh.
but then when we used to explain them about things, they used to understand how it
For
is.
every problem, there is a solution.
There is a
Yeah.
solution.
Okay. Okay. Fine. That's great to hear, madam. So after that, I heard that you are into Toastmaster International. So can you say something about that regarding that? Like usually when students are into their curriculum, they are more focused into the syllabus-oriented structure. So they're worried about scoring in the exams, whereas they need to have something else other than the normal regular curriculum. So Toastmasters, something about Toastmasters since you're into it.
Toastmasters International. I'm associated and member from 2 years.
Okay.
Okay, with Toastmasters International.
Okay.
So children have to think, as you said, they have to think out of the
Yeah,
box.
exactly.
They can't be every time thinking about curriculum, studies, because there are so many things where children have to be focused.
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct.
So Toastmasters International is all about your leadership skill.
Okay.
Okay. It highlights on your leadership skill,
Okay.
your communication.
Okay.
It makes you a good speaker.
Personality development.
Personality development is
Okay.
the main focus of Toastmasters International.
Okay.
I am at Sahodaya, which is at Balmata.
Hmm.
I have a wonderful. This club is really wonderful because initially when I joined, being into meeting people, everything, I had to learn a lot of things with this Toastmasters. Because in Toastmasters, you have you can take different roles.
Okay.
Like you can be like a speaker.
Okay.
You have an evaluator for that. You can take a table topic. Table topic is something where on spot they give you a topic
Okay.
where you need to speak.
Okay.
So what happens is your self-confidence also boosts up.
What kind of a role have you been given and how is it?
Recently, I have this Saturday. Recently, I was the speaker.
Okay.
I had spoken about art of parenting.
Okay. Okay.
So it is Even
Being a mother of two, how do you manage time? Like you're too much into social work as well as into Toastmasters, and also congratulations for being the brand ambassador for NEP.
Thank you, sir.
So how do you manage time as well as how do you manage all the things happening? Yeah.
Okay, when it comes to the time and I'm mother of two, huh?
Yeah.
So it is I have to strike a balance between my personal and professional life.
Okay.
So because I am career oriented also.
Yes.
Meanwhile, I focus on my family too.
Okay.
Because I have to see to that everything is balanced.
Exactly.
Because achieving success and then leaving family behind is meaningless,
Exactly.
according to me.
Exactly.
So what I believe is when it comes to family,
Yeah.
as I told you, my husband is very supportive.
Okay.
Along with that, my mother also plays an important role.
Okay.
See, there are a lot of ups and downs
Okay.
because it is challenging, it is crucial also.
Yeah.
Because when it comes to personal, See, my elder one is just 7 years old.
Okay.
So once I am back from work,
Yeah.
I need to focus on his studies,
Exactly.
his school activities. And there are so many co-curricular activities which I have to focus because
Okay.
I can't be just thinking about my career behind.
Correct.
And I have a 2-year-old baby.
Yeah.
So I have to think about him. I need to mold him because this is a time where a mother has to mold a child.
Exactly.
So I have a lot of responsibility.
Yeah.
And let it be, I have lost my mother-in-law. I have, my father-in-law has been a very supportive person. Even he is, supporting me to achieve whatever I want in my life.
Okay.
So I think along with the balancing of family and profession,
Yeah.
we need to have a supportive family to what I believe in.
Okay.
When it comes to profession,
Yeah.
I
Usually when we say profession meets passion, so how exactly it goes?
I had many things in my life. I wanted to achieve many things.
Okay.
So, and I have done it, of
Uh.
course. So this is again with the support of my family.
Okay.
So when it comes to profession,
Yeah.
see, I have to rush to my workplace
Okay.
by 9.
Okay.
So our punching time is 9. So I need to balance there also.
Okay.
Because I can't tell that I have family behind because
Exactly.
professional and personal life is two different things.
Correct. A
So
perfect balance should be there.
it should be there, and I'm very organized in whatever it is.
Okay.
For me, I need things has to be
Yeah.
accordingly. It has to go. I maintain a journal. I maintain a diary.
Okay.
So the previous day, I just pen down what I have to do the next day.
A planner.
A planner.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just pen down these are the things what I have to do.
Okay.
Because see, with family, there are our cousins,
Yeah.
relatives, which we have to strike a balance there
Exactly.
also.
Exactly.
So what I do is I jot down everything what I have to do.
Okay.
I have a journal also where anything like to bucket list or
Okay.
maybe something about gratitude.
Okay.
I write in the journal.
Okay.
So I always thank Almighty.
Oh.
So whatever it is. When it comes to profession, as I told you, by 9 I have to rush to the workplace.
Okay.
So by that time my child goes to school,
Yeah.
the elder one.
Yeah.
I need to complete all his daily routine.
Okay.
He has to leave by 7:30 in the morning. So once he leaves, I have to look after the household.
I heard that madam is into social work. So how did it start, madam? Like
Social
you should
work,
have that passion to start. Like
social work is during this pandemic.
okay.
Everyone has learned lesson.
Exactly.
So I thought like I have to give back something to the society.
Okay.
So during this crisis,
Okay.
because recently I have come up with an initiative,
Okay.
Give a Smile.
Okay.
This initiative is to donate books
Yeah.
or
That's a
bag,
wonderful initiative.
toys,
Exactly.
so that we can. It is for the orphanage,
Okay.
where there are so many children with a broken heart.
Okay.
So I thought like I will come up with this initiative
Okay.
by donating something to those children during Children's Day.
Okay.
So because we are going to come up with the Children's Day very soon.
How exactly it happens? Like,
Initiative. See, what we have thought is first we are going to collect it.
Okay.
Okay. I have many partners with me.
Okay.
I have delivery partner, road runner.
Okay.
I have supporting partners too. So what we thought is I came up with this initiative because I have to give back something to the society.
Exactly.
So I am going to come up with many initiatives down the lane. But the first initiative is for the children.
Okay.
So because I'm also a mother, so I know how it is. And to donate also you need generous people, like generous heart to donate.
Exactly.
So I've come up. I'm sure people are going to support, and we have many people who are supporting us for this initiative.
Okay.
I am blessed for that too because the people are supporting me with the initiative.
Okay. That's great to hear.
We see many girls, ladies out there,
Okay.
especially people who are ladies who are educated
Okay.
and who are staying back at home or who are looking out for the job.
Okay.
First, please see to that what is your capability, what is your potential.
Passion.
Yeah, just jot it down
Yeah.
and then look out for the job.
Okay.
So you will know where you stand in the society.
Okay.
So what I advise is everyone has ups and downs.
Okay.
So no one's life is bed of rose.
Yeah.
So you need to go out, look into the job and fulfill your passion.
Okay. We have seen Madam as the head of the school, and then we have seen her as a member of Toastmasters International. Also, she's a brand ambassador of NEP. What else are your interests and what do you do, madam, in your free time?
Okay, during my free time,
Yeah.
I
First of all, do you have free time?
do have.
Yeah.
I do have
Okay.
free time. I do sometimes me time also.
Okay.
So when it comes, I can just tell you as hobby.
Hmm.
I love capturing pictures.
Okay.
Okay, I do capture pictures.
Huh.
I love cooking.
Okay.
which has made me a food blogger too.
Okay.
So, as I come from a GSB community, and I'm
Okay.
proud to be a GSB,
Okay.
food is our main priority.
Okay. Yeah.
So, so that is why, that passion has come into me
Okay.
about food. So, other than that, I love drawing,
Okay.
painting. I'm into calligraphy. When
Okay.
it comes to drawing, I love mandala art.
Oh.
I usually do mandala art.
Yeah.
And,
A multi-talented person we have here. Yeah.
apart from this, I'm a motivational speaker too.
Yeah.
I give talks. Recently, I've given talk to Canberra College
Okay.
on women empowerment.
Okay.
I've given a talk to NITTE regarding life skills.
Okay.
I give talk on personality development.
Okay. As a motivational speaker, madam, can you just give one suggestion to our viewers, especially students who are watching the show?
Dear students, everyone has ups and downs in life. So never give up. Try till you succeed. That is the motto which I follow in my life too. So
Okay.
that's what I can tell
Yeah.
students
Yeah.
to never lose hopes,
Okay.
because you have to focus on the present trend.
Yeah.
You need to see. When it comes, you get different. There are so many courses
Okay.
which is coming up.
Oh.
Digitalization is a key mantra now.
Yeah.
I keep updating myself too.
Yeah.
I am a diploma in computer reservation system.
Okay.
I've done my diploma in e-business.
I would like to study more also.
Yes,
Yeah.
I am pursuing my bachelor in education too.
A student forever.
Yes,
Exactly.
and that is the way how we have to be.
Okay. Okay. That's great, madam. I thank you very much for being the guest of my talk show today. Thanks a lot, madam.
Thank you, sir, for giving me an opportunity
Yeah.
to talk on this Achiever Success.
Yeah.
It is indeed a privilege
Okay.
to be a part of this.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, madam.